We are at the Salton Sea in Southern California. It is the largest lake in California, and you can see it behind us. It looks rather nice, but if you get up close, you get another story. As you get closer to the lake, you notice something strange. All these fish carcasses scattered along the beach.
It smells really
Dead bird? How's it smell?
not good. Like rotting fish and rotting everything.
But there are a lot of birds. And let's go up to the water. Barnacles actually are the sand here. The barnacles die and these get ground up. And fish bones. As you get up to the water here, you can see it. It's kind of dark brown with like red in it, full of algae.
Bad, harmful algae.
Smells terrible. You can see it used to be the place to be.
Of Bombay beaches, finest properties.